Custom Setup Guide. First open the POSPointe setup. Now click Next. Again click Next. Need to wait few minutes. When you get this pop-up, click on Yes. Again wait for few minutes. Now select License Terms and Conditions. Then click Install. Again a pop-up will appear. Click Yes. Now click Run. Okay, now let's register the product. For that click Next. Now click Agree. In here, enter the email and registration code that we provided to you. Then click on Register Now. Now click Next. Now here select Custom Setup. A pop-up will appear. Click Connect. Then click OK. Now here you can fill your business details and click Finish Setup. Or else you can click on Skip for now. This is how you install POSPointe in Custom Setup. Thank you for watching.